Good afternoon guys! Ngayong araw na ito ay gagawa tayo ng iba't ibang klase ng tinapay. Ito, nagpapakulo na ako ng kamote na ating ihahalo sa ating dough mamaya. And then, this one, i-adobo natin at ipapalaman natin sa ating tinapay mamaya. Magandang hapon guys! Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng tinapay. And this bread, yung dough ng bread na ito, it will make different kinds of bread. Kagaya ng baked adobo bread at pandesal and enseymada. Magagawa ito ng dough na ito. And these are the ingredients. 7 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of kamote or sweet potato, 12 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 or 6 tablespoons of oil ang gagamitin natin. Then 2 cups of milk. This is warm milk, guys. 1.5 tablespoon of instant cheese. Yeah, this is instant cheese, guys. And 2 eggs. Okay? We'll start by putting the instant cheese in the warm milk. Pag nagbubbles na ito guys, then it's ready. We'll put 1 tablespoon of sugar and we will put the egg, sugar, and we will put oil. 5. And we will put the sweet potato and the salt. And then we will mix it, guys. Guys, it's almost foamy now. See? So we can put now this milk and cheese. We will add the flour. We will add the flour gradually, guys. And we will put now all the flour. We will just mix it slow because it will splash the flour. Check it. This is a very soft bread, guys. This mixture is very soft. Okay, so we'll put this in an oil bowl and then we will leave it for 1 hour. Naubusan ako ng itlog guys kasi gagawa ako ng pandesal, gagawa ako ng enseymada at saka yung baked siopao pero naubusan ng itlog, dalawa na yung nagamit ko, iisa na lang yung natira. So, I have to go to the grocery store to buy some egg. Pero, pansamantala, maglagay muna ako ng flour dito para mamaya ready na. Okay guys, look. Oh, this is now our dough. It doubled. See? I will put some margarine on my hand so that it will not stick on my hand. It's very soft.
You want me to do the Superman?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's
okay now. Huh?
yeah.
No need to do.
No need. I'll just shape it. We will put 60. We're done dividing this, and we will form it into balls, okay? We'll shape it into round there. Yeah, we'll roll it in the breadcrumbs and put it in the baking pan. We saute it with the garlic. We'll put a little bit more water, guys. The sauce of the adobo a while ago. This is the one. We'll put a little bit water. And we'll put oyster sauce, guys. Brown sugar. Guys, we mix flour and water so that it will thicken the sauce of this filling that we're making. We'll put now. There. So that we will not put any sauce. When we eat the bread, we don't need sauce. Okay guys, it's ready. Now it's cooked already, okay? Okay guys, we're going to preheat the oven. 350 Fahrenheit. Then for 7 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes. Okay. There. Then we'll put in the oven. Okay guys, this is now the second batch of bread. This is the baked adobo, or yeah, baked adobo siopao. Baked siopao adobo. We'll divide this again. The same procedure, guys. We'll just divide it. Okay guys, we'll form it into balls, round like that, and then after we form it, we'll put the filling, the chicken filling. Okay, like this. We'll flatten the round one. Ayan. And then we'll put filling. And we will seal it. See? Like that. Okay. There, guys. Okay. There. Okay. Now it's sealed here. And then we will put in the baking pan. Okay. Let's check guys the pandesal. Oh, it's very nice. You see, it's cooked now guys. We have to take out, cancel. Ayan na guys, naluto na yung ating pandesal. This is now the chicken adobo bread. Okay, I think 24 per baking pan, 24 plus 24, 48 plus 12. The one in the middle is 12, so 60. Okay, we will cook for 15 minutes. Okay, this is the third one. We will make it. Make ensaymada, guys. But this one is bigger. What we do, guys, is we have to make it a foil. Yes. Okay, and we will make a foil. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Let's check, guys. Okay, it's cooked already. So we have to cancel. We'll take out the bread. There, guys. Okay, and then we will put another one. Okay, guys, it's done. The ensaymada. We're going to bake now the ensaymada. Okay, these are all the baked siopao now. Chicken baked siopao, and we'll put it in 15 minutes. Let's check. Oh, okay, it's cooked already. There, we off. Okay, there, the ensaymada, the baked siopao, chicken siopao.
Many hours later.
Guys, ito naluto na nila dito na
Actually, nakaluto ako ng
ilan.
pandesal.
Pandesal.
Tapos ito yung baked siopao. At saka yung ensaymada.
Ensaymada.
Kaya lang, mainit pa yung ensaymada. Hindi ko pa malagyan ng ng cheese.
Dami nang naluto
Kaya,
guys.
we have to share. Yan, pamigay din natin Christmas.
Yan ang gift niya. Yan ang pamimigay niya. Okay. Ang tagal niyang nagluto dahil tatlong klase yung niluto niya.
Purihin ng Panginoon.
So thank God. Before we eat, let us pray. Hallelujah. Father God, once again, Lord, we praise you. We thank you sa iyong kabutihan.
Yes, Lord.
Salamat, Ama, sa pagkakataon na binigay mo sa amin na kami ay nakapagluto ng tatlong klaseng tinapay, Panginoon.
Yes, Father.
Lord, we pray that you would bless this food, O Lord God, ganon din sa aming mga pagbibigyan, Panginoon.
Yes, Lord.
Na sila ay magkaroon ng kalakasan kapag kinain na nila yun.
Yes,
We
Father.
praise you, we thank you. In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen and amen.
So itong kakainin natin ay adobo?
Adobong chicken.
Chicken, okay.
Ito guys, oh.
Wow. Lapit pa ba makita nila?
Guys.
Guys, so yan. Sarap na. Let me see if we can on this one. Nag-on na.
Hindi. Ayan.
Ayan guys. Sarap. So guys, oh. Ayan, oh. full of stuffing, you know, adobo. And then, sarap yan. Kumain ng mga baka.
Mm.
Yan. Baby. Andun siya. Pwede.